Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into Boston Scientific's latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Boston Scientific's performance, especially given their impressive start to the year.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Boston Scientific reported net sales of $4.663 billion for Q1 2025, marking a 20.9% increase on a reported basis. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Boston Scientific's growth is primarily driven by their strong product portfolio and effective global team. The company saw significant sales increases across various segments, particularly in cardiovascular, which reported a 26.2% growth. This robust performance is also reflected in their adjusted EPS of 75 cents, which exceeded the forecasted 67 by analysts.
That's impressive. How does this compare to their guidance?
They exceeded their guidance range for both net sales and adjusted EPS. The company had guided for a 17 to 19% increase in net sales and an adjusted EPS range of 66 to 68, so they outperformed on both fronts.
Segment and regional performance. John, can you break down the performance by segment and region?
Absolutely. The cardiovascular segment was a standout with a 26.2% increase in reported sales. Regionally, the U.S. led the charge with a 31.1% growth, showcasing strong domestic demand. EMEA and APAC also contributed positively with reported growths of 5.5% and 8.2%, respectively.
It seems like Boston Scientific is seeing balanced growth across its segments and regions.
Indeed, their diversified portfolio and global reach are key strengths, allowing them to capitalize on opportunities across different markets.
Strategic initiatives and clinical trials. Boston Scientific has been active on the strategic front as well. Can you tell us about their recent initiatives?
They've commenced enrollment in the Elevate PF clinical trial and started the Option A trial in the APAC region. These trials are crucial for evaluating new treatments for atrial fibrillation. Additionally, they've completed the acquisition of Bolt Medical and announced an agreement to acquire Sony V Limited, which will enhance their capabilities in treating coronary and peripheral artery diseases.
These moves seem to align with their long-term growth strategy.
Exactly. By focusing on innovation and strategic acquisitions, Boston Scientific is positioning itself for sustained growth and leadership in the medical technology space.
Guidance and future outlook. Looking ahead, what guidance has Boston Scientific provided for the rest of 2025?
For the full year, they estimate net sales growth of 15 to 17% on a reported basis and adjusted EPS between $2.87 and $2.94. For Q2, they expect sales growth of 17.5 to 19.5% and adjusted EPS in the range of 71 to 73 cents. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued strong performance.
It sounds like they're optimistic about the future.
Yes, their focus on innovation and strategic execution should support their growth trajectory, despite potential market challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, Boston Scientific has delivered a strong start to 2025 with impressive sales growth and earnings that beat expectations. Their strategic initiatives and robust guidance suggest a promising outlook. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Boston Scientific's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Boston Scientific's performance in the comments below. Until next time.